Bebe. May kulangot ka pa eh. Hindi ka naman naupo eh. Upo, ikaw po. Hi! Kinukuha din naman yun ito.
Naglalaro na siya.
Hello! Hello! Here. Hi, boom, ate boom.
Bebe, give me mommy's cellphone.
Which one?
Da.
I'm using this.
I will give you your new cellphone. Mommy and daddy bought it to you. Because you're a good ate.
Amada?
You want new cellphone?
Amada?
You want your new cellphone?
Yeah.
Do you want your new cellphone? I'm asking you. Do you want?
Yeah.
Give me that. Do you want cellphone? Where is your cellphone?
Ataw nung.
Do you want new cellphone? Do you want it?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is your new cellphone, mommy and daddy bought it for you.
I'm playing this game.
Hmm?
I'm playing
This
this
is your cellphone. Oh, look.
I'm playing this game.
Look. Oh, this is yours. What?
Malalaglag pa eh, talaga ikaw na.
Wow. This is yours. You like it? That is yours now.
Bye.
Are you happy?
What is my password?
Baby, are you happy?
What is my password? I don't know.
What? Are you happy?
I don't know what's my password.
You want that?
I don't know what's my password. I don't know. My password. Is it L? Is it?
No, like this. What will you say to mommy and daddy? Mommy and daddy bought it for you.
What did you say, baby?
What I'm playing Roblox. Hello, Roblox.
Are you happy? Who's the best parent? Huh? What did you say to mommy and daddy? Hi.
Hi, mommy.
Hi, ate. Hey, Boom Boom. You're busy. I said hi.
Hi.
La 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 la. Ganito gusto, oh. La 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 la. La la la.
Kiss, kiss. Wah, wah, wah. Hey. Wah. Hello. Wah. Hello.
Pajama. Are you happy? Clap your torso. And you're happy and you know, clap your hands. And you're happy and you know it. You really want to show it. You're happy and you know it. Clap your boy. And you're happy and you know it. Clap your sister. You're happy and you know, clap your sister. And you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. And you're happy and you clap, clap your sister. And you're happy and you know it. Clap your sister. And you're happy and you know it. Shake your sister. And you're happy and you know it. And you really want to show. And you're happy and you know it. Shake your sister. And you're happy and you're...
Zipline.